Hi, beautifuls, and welcome back to Air Beauty. I am your host, Angie, and before I get too far into this video, I want you to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell anyone and everyone you know about Air Beauty. Hey guys, I'm going to get right into this video. This is a wig that I've had for a hot minute. I did a wig review. Go and watch the video on it. So I am prepping to record for my other channel, which is called Angie in Real Life. If you're interested in what goes on in that channel, stop by and check me out. I'll put the link in the description box below. So I'm getting ready to prepare to record. So I decided, you know what? I'm putting my face on, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a video. So what we're gonna be using today is Rain CoverGirl palette. We're going to be using the Fit Me 360. We're going to be using, this is the best mascara in the world. Great lashes. It was my mom's favorite. I love it. I want you guys to really see a difference in my eyes when I put it on. And then we're going to be using this Under Eyes Disguise. I did a video on this Under Eyes Disguise concealer and a Dollar Tree one. So let's get started. I already moisturized my face, washed my face with my glamma, and I put some Skin So Soft lotion on it. So make sure your face is moisturized because I think it holds the makeup better. So normally what I do is I do my eyes really quick. And I'm not a professional, guys. I'm still learning. I'm still learning how to do this, but I feel like my end results are always good. I like what I see when I'm done, and I see a difference. So I might not be doing this the way everybody else do it, but it's the Air Beauty way. How about that? And everybody have their own techniques when they're doing stuff. So, and this basically, if you got dark circles around your eyes, or if you want to just bring some life to your eye section, just brighten it up a little bit. And this came from Sally Beauty Supply. So I just dot that on, dot it 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 on. Let me know, comment below what you use, or if there's something that you think is better. And then I just take my brush and just get it in real good. I just blend it in real good. This is a quick face beat. I get it in real good on my eyes. Real good. When you don't have that whole bunch of time, but you want to get cute, real cute. I mean cute for a hot second. That's what you do. And it looks good on camera. And it looks good close up. Make sure you got as much as you can get that orange blended in. Look, you see a difference already, guys. If it's not as bright as I want it, I'll put a little bit more. And if you do that thing right, you may not even have to really put foundation on. This is your preference. It's not as bright as I want it. They be like, what is she doing? This is the way I do it. And it brightens up your whole eye. It makes your day. Now my eyes are very sensitive. So whenever there's any activity going on around them, they have a tendency to start watering. And this is a blender. Look, y'all see that already? See how that is? Them eyes is on beat already. Them eyes is on beat already. Get you a close look. But when you put your foundation on, If you want a deeper blend, get a shorter brush. And really put a little pressure behind it. And then get it in. Look at that. And guys, sometimes, because I'm hairy, I'll do this at the bottom, at my chin. Too. Because I do shave, guys. I was diagnosed with a condition called polycystic ovarian syndrome, which makes you have the increased amounts of testosterone, which gives you large amounts of facial hair. I'll show you guys how I remove my facial hair in another video. But look at that. You look kind of orange, but you still look bright. Blend it in as best as you can get. My foundation is Fit Me 360, but I feel like I want to try a darker shade. When I first started using it, this is the only one that they had. And it's a matte plus poreless. And of course, I'm right-handed, so I want to start using my left hand to see if I can wake up my brain on my left side. So my face is not pimply, it's not bumpy or anything like that, so I don't use a whole lot. I just like to get enough just to give my face that matte look. Just to give it that matte look. Not to make it seem like it's so caked all up. Just to give it the matte look. Y'all, I'm looking cute already. Not a whole lot. And I may not be using the right brushes, but this works for me. And that's what you do. You do what works for you. You do what works for you. I think I put a little bit too much on there. Do what works for Angie in real life, honey. Do what works for you, Sissy Pooh. It's your thing. Get your neck, so you won't be having like 3 different tone face. Get them eyes real good, cover up that brightness. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. And we only 8 minutes into the video and I'm almost done. Get your edges. So it won't like you got somebody else's face on. Get all that cheekbone. Get yourself down here. And you want to look real. You don't want to look plastered and fake. Just give it that polished look. When you get these hard spots like this one by my eye that don't really want to blend in. So guys, I am preparing to do a review on the show Belle Collective. Y'all look. Go and watch Belle Collective. If y'all like weave like me and bundles like me, look, them boss chicks is doing some stuff in Jackson, Mississippi. Belle Collective. It comes on Friday nights at 10 p.m. on OWN. And honey, them ladies make you want to rise to the occasion, okay? Them chicks doing the thing. When I say they doing the thing, they doing the thing. All right, that part's done. Eyes are done. Put that there. I normally have a concealer to go over my eyes, but I'm not going to use concealer today. I'm doing, again, the CoverGirl Rain Palette. And I am going in because my shirt says Queen Status. It's like an army green. And then I have on like army green camo pants. So I'm gonna try to go with the flow of the outfit as far as the colors. So I'm gonna go on my eyes with the Dignified. The Dignified right there. See Dignified? We're gonna use that. And like I said, I usually use a concealer for my eyes, but we're not doing that today. We're just gonna put it on. And of course, you wanna dab it. See, that's why I like that concealer, because she pops when she in there. I got a whole new makeup set for Christmas that I have yet to open. So we'll open that and play around with that one of these Saturdays. Okay? Okay, pumpkin, as my sister says. And I've learned to just pat it on there and then blend it in. Thus be the face. Yo, I want some new palettes. I want like some oranges and some reds, some greens, like some real greens. Like the leprechaun green, grass green, and candy apple red. And sun yellow and sun orange. Like that kind of bright. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's cute. And I don't have to do too much blending either. Oh, that's cute. Now just imagine, this palette is pretty pigmented. So just imagine, guys, if I was to put the butcher my face underneath. Oh, that is good, Smith. Yeah, I don't have to do much blending. That is good, girl. You getting better. That's good. That's good. That's real good, Smith. I'm gonna take some of this Spellbound. That's Spellbound right there. Just put some in the center. It's kind of dark, so I don't know. How much did it show up? Yeah, it's kind of dark. That's all right. That'll work. Y'all, I always want my lips to match. This mascara is everything. It's the blackest. Very black. My mom used to use this. Now look at my lashes now. Can y'all see my lashes now? That was a pretty good. Look at my lashes now. Now I'm gonna show you the difference. See them now? Now watch when I put this on. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna have to blend my eye up a little bit. Immediate difference. See that already? I have a mustache that I hate, but guess what? That's part of who I am. And I generally wear it. experts that's watching me, give me some tips. Told y'all my eyes is sensitive. Look how they done started running. Do y'all ever do your bottom? Really, I really do. This is an old-fashioned mascara, the classic, man. My mom swore by this stuff. And I love the brush. The brush is everything. Oh, see y'all, I told y'all my eyes were sensitive. I'm gonna play around with my just blend that in a little bit more. Quick. Brush her over again. Get rid of that shininess. I swear by these, y'all. I'm old school. I like these two. I'm old school. My face is one color, guys. My eyes is cute, but I like for my lipstick to be the same color as my eyeshadow. So sometimes what I do is I just do this. I don't know if y'all ever tried it before. But I do it. If I don't have a color that matches. But yes, I do it. So don't judge me. Even if you do, I'm okay with it. And then I take a lip gloss. And I gloss her up. And then I blend it. And it's just like that. Quick and easy. And I'm cute. And I'm cute. We done. That was quick, easy, peasy, easy breezy, beautiful CoverGirl. All right, so we'll take a after picture. Oops. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember that beauty starts within you. So stay beautiful. See you guys in the next video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Share me out, share me out. See you guys.